Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe at your home. So today I'm going to show this look inspired by Invisible Women. So I picked up my Morphe 35B eyeshadow palette and I picked this dark blue shade, and with a pencil brush I'm packing it on the crease. Up the light blue shade on a small buffing brush, I'm blending the crease out. For the cut crease, I picked up my Tarte Shape Tape concealer and a flat concealer brush. I filled up my outer corners with the same dark blue eyeshadow and packed the yellow shade with a flat brush on the concealed area. For creating a nice cut crease, I'm using this Tartiest Pro glitter eyeliner and I'm going to apply it on the cut crease. And then I applied my eyeliner off camera and smudging the lower lash line with the same blue shade on a blending brush. Then I picked my MAC nude eyeliner and I applied it on the lower lash line. And for the highlighter, I used the Cover FX Drop highlighter. It's a really good highlighter. I applied it on the inner corners, on my brow bone as well as on my cheeks. For the eyelashes, I'm using Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. And if you guys like these lenses, these are from Olens India. I'll mention the link in the description box below. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you liked it. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.